Hi everybody, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. Happy 14th of December. Yay! 10 days to go to Christmas Eve. Ooh. Mind you, I'll have opened all my presents by the time it comes to Christmas Day, because this Diamond Painting Deutschland advent calendar is my Christmas present from hubby. So you see me open all my presents. It's certainly flying by. Oh my goodness me. So yeah, we have our 3 advent calendars to open again. Our Diamond Painting Deutschland, our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and our Fancells snowman box that has an advent calendar inside. So yay, 3 lovely ones to open. Right, I'm going to go back to normal now. Not something you will hear with me very often. And open the diamond painting one first, and we'll have a look at the other 2 in a moment. So let me move these out of the way. Okay, so hope everybody's doing okay. I managed to get some diamond painting done yesterday. That was really good. Although I do feel as though I might be coming down with a bit of a cold now. Oh no, not for Christmas. But there is a flu pandemic going around our hospital at the moment. So everybody's having to wear masks and things, and the care home where my mum is, anybody that goes has to sanitise and put a mask on and everything. So yeah, they're trying to keep it under control, but hopefully everybody out there is okay and doing okay. So yeah, let's have a cheerful unboxing and see what we've got in this lovely little packet. I do love all the little gonks on the bags. I think they're brilliant. Right, so 14th of December. I wonder what this could be. It's a little bit flat and a little bit structured, so I'm not quite sure. See, we'll see. Let's have a look. Oh, what have we got? What have we got? Oh! Now, the trouble is, when you've been doing diamond painting for a while, and you've bought quite a lot of different things, you do tend to find that things like this, you will get doubles. And I've got a double, but my butterfly now has a friend. So we now have a purple one next to a pink one. Yay! But these are quite useful. My granddaughter loves this one. So let us get it out of the packet and look at it a bit more closely. One lady pointed out to me, she thinks possibly that we didn't get a toolkit in with the diamond painting on the 12th is because they've put like a pen. We've had a diamond painting pen so far, and now we've got a tray, and a very posh tray as well. So rather than putting a toolkit in with the painting, they've sent us some little bits and pieces in our advent calendar. So yeah, it's a good size. It's sort of not a really bendable plastic, but not really rigid. So it's not one unless you dropped it from a really, really high height, it's not going to break. It's not like the hard plastic that's like the acrylic that breaks. This is quite a bendable one. It's in a lovely butterfly shape, and I do love that colour. That's a very, very good colour. And it does have little holes all the way around on each wing. And on that one, and then, on his bottom, his tail end, shall we say? So you can put 5 different colours of gems in, and you can tip each one out. And they've given us a little purple brush to match. So if you've got an awkward one that doesn't want to get out, then you can help it along and escort it to the edge. And we've got a little spoon as well. So you can spoon your gems into your little tray. And if you put too many in, you can spoon them out. And it's foldable, so very portable. Little bit small for eating a yoghurt. I have to say I have tried eating a yoghurt with one of these because I couldn't find my spoon when I'd gone somewhere, and I just happened to, for whatever reason, have one of these in my handbag. So yeah, I suppose it made me eat slower and the yoghurt lasted longer. But that was quite good for that one. And then these are just so pretty. These are the little stoppers, look, for the little holes on your advent calendar on the wings. And they're all little butterflies. And I mean, how cute are they? That is absolutely gorgeous. And they're all like, they've got little raised bits as well, so you can see a little bit more detail on them. So yeah, I think they're really, really pretty. Loving those. So we'll put them all in so I don't lose them. Yep, they just slot in, and then they're easy to take out as well because you just pull them out by the wings, she says. Oh dear, yeah, it always happens to me. It's easy to take out, she says, and then has to push it from the back because it's a bit stuck. But no, you don't want them to be loose because you don't want to be picking your tray up and your little stoppers fall off and then all your gems will tip out as well. But yeah, the ridges are sort of all at this end, and then you've just got the little flat space so that when you're tipping your gems out, they're not all stuck in the ridges, because that can happen quite a bit. And if you get a gem that's just got a little bit of an extra bit on it, or it's got a little knobbly bit on the end, then they do tend to stick in your ridges in your trays. I find crystals, you tend to find that crystals are quite a few different sizes sometimes. Some of the special drill paintings I've been doing recently, yeah, the crystals have been getting stuck in my tray because they've just been a little bit too wide to slide along. So they've been fun to get out. Yeah, it's better to empty all the others out first and then just get the awkward one at the end. But they are lovely. Look, they just sort of, you just get that little bit of an edge, so they just stand out that little bit, so it's a bit more of a decoration as well. But yeah, I like that. I probably wouldn't have bought myself another one because I do already have one, but I'm not unhappy at receiving this one. And yeah, for doing special drills, it's excellent because you can do 5 colours at once. In fact, if I used both of them, then I've got 10 colours. And particularly doing like the key rings that we got yesterday, I could put them all out and just keep doing the key rings. Were they? Oh no, they were out 16 colours, weren't they? But if you put the main colours in, it saves then going and opening your little bags all the time. Because you think, oh look, I've missed a colour on that one. And you have to go and get your bag with the right number on, or try and guess which one it was, and then dip into your bags. And it's not quite as easy to dip into the little plastic bags as it is to your little pots and things. So yeah, good idea. Do like that. Very nice, very fancy. Doesn't really go with our Christmassy things, although it's not too bad with our silver and that over there. Look, so we'll put butterfly up there for now with your lovely spoon and your little brush. So yeah, pleased with that one. Let's get back to National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Oh, you're just going to have to move a little bit further up, butterfly. We'll put you there. Look, we can still see you there. Right. So I've got all of them out as to what we got. We got the brilliant moose head mug. I must admit, if I ever saw any of those in the shop, I think I would have to buy them. Get a little set of eggnog cups that are little moose's heads. Yeah. I am that person. What can I say? Right, so let's see, number 14. Oh, you're half open already. Goodness, right. Oh, who's this? We can see some feet. Oh, we've got Clark's wife. Oh, gosh, what's she called? I know the little girl's Audrey. I can't remember what his wife's called. Oh, my goodness. Nope, it's gone. There you are. I'm getting adult brain, Christmas brain, I'm going to call it. But yeah, so we've got another figure. Does she stand up? No. No, she's too top heavy. Oh, no, she does. She does. It's just Aunt Bethany that's only got the one foot. I wonder why she didn't have another foot. Very strange. Sit wobbly old lady, what can I say? That is our advent calendar. I will bring hubby's back up again another day. I can't remember what he got yesterday either. What am I like? My brain. As I always say, I am convinced that I've got so much going on in my head at the moment that as something new comes in, everything else drops out the other end. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. So that is our National Lampoons for today. And then finally, we just want our nice little Christmas decoration. Just move the camera a bit so you can see it. So yeah, they all fell off the desk again last night. Yeah, there's a bit of a gap at the back, and the tinsel that's sort of like lining the back of it. Yeah, it's got a life of its own, and every now and again it decides to just sort of like snake off the edge of the desk, and when it goes, it takes everybody with it. So yeah, we end up with everything on the floor, and then I have to pick it all up and try and think where I had it before. And yeah, so that's why it's a little bit rearranged most days when I come and film. Oh dear me. Right, so we have had this gorgeous little tray, well, 5 trays all in one in the shape of a butterfly, with these wonderful little butterflies on the edges as the stoppers, and a little brush and a little spoon. So that was lovely. And then we've had oh, I still can't remember her name. I can hear Clark saying her name and I can't think. I will remember it, and I'm sure you guys all know it anyway. And then our lovely red bauble, very Christmassy. So a bit more fun today. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. As always, if you have, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Just keeps me going with YouTube and keeps me on the radar, as it were. We're growing very, very slowly, our little group, but I do like the fact that we're a smaller group and just growing steadily. I get to know everybody a little bit more. Yeah, when you've got over 1 million followers, I have no idea how you would keep track of everybody. I can't remember what my name is most days, let alone everybody else's. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what the 15th of December brings, see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner, then an all notifications bell pops up. If you click on that, then you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.